Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Motorola device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion, so this is really cool here. And let's go to this button here from the left. By tapping on this we get access to advanced photo and video modes, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's tap on this, and as you can see here we can easily start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And stop. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get access to the video in the gallery, so this is the quick access, and play. And this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device and works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.